The kind lion of Rainbow Jungle. In the heart of the rainbow jungle lived Lono the lion, the gentlest lion anyone had ever met. Even though he had a big golden mane and a loud roar, he loved spending his days helping the other animals. One sunny morning, Lono heard crying near the riverbank. It was Tara the turtle, stuck under a fallen branch. "Don't worry, Tara. I'm here," Lono said softly. With one careful lift of his paw, he freed her. "Thank you, Lono. You're so strong and so kind," Tara said. Later that day, Lono saw Milo the monkey trapped high in a tree after slipping on a vine. "I'm scared," Milo cried. Lono didn't roar or panic. He climbed slowly, helped Milo onto his back, and brought him down safely. By evening, all the animals gathered around Lono at the lake. "We feel safe because of you," they said. "You are big and powerful, but your heart is even bigger." Lono smiled warmly. "Strength means nothing without kindness," he said. As the moon lit the jungle, everyone slept peacefully, knowing their friend Lono watched over them. Moral of the story: true strength comes from kindness. Even the strongest are loved for their gentle hearts.